Am I the professional or are you? What? Welcome to Welcome to Frida's hair salon. Today I have my first ever client. It's my sister, Lina. You look so scared. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull you a bit back. Do you want some coffee, tea, champagne? Yes, tea is the only thing I have. So I also have a magazine. It's the only magazine that we have. It's my yeah. And I have a scissor. First of all, you can drink this right now. We're gonna go over to the wash station and we're gonna wash your hair because that's what professionals do. Okay, while Lina is washing her hair, I'm gonna watch a quick tutorial on how to cut hair because I don't know, I can only cut this type of hair. Since I'm a professional hairstylist, I've got a brush and I have some I don't know, what is this called? Clip. And I also have a comb because apparently that's really important. So Lina, come and sit down and I will begin to do the cutting. Okay, so let's start brushing your hair out. Oh no, wait, I have another professional thing to do. I have one of these professional things. It's a bit dirty, but it's usually not like this. It's not a dangerous chemicals. We should probably put it oh, like cake. First of all, you need to start by brushing your client's hair. Very important step. Don't skip this step. You might end up in a disaster. Trust me, I know.
Flashback.
Let's just brush it through with this thing. This time, it might actually turn out good. Wait! And that's my neck. No, Rizla, don't drink the color. No.
End of flashback.
Yeah. Ow! Oh, jeez. What? This one is good for the for the straightness of the cutting.
No.
Am I the professional or are you? No. I don't have a
No, but we can
rotate this chair. You know what we can do? We can rotate the chair. And then we rotate. I'm so high up. Can you sit higher up? I'm gonna get the elbow. Professional. No difference.
No.
Ow. How long am I doing this for? Okay.
I usually never brush my hair wet.
I've heard it's really bad for the hair actually. It has to be wet while you
Why?
do this. Don't question my
No,
techniques.
you're supposed to have it wet because otherwise it will.
Because otherwise it might turn out to be a disaster. That's why. First of all, you put it into the part. Look at that. Perfection.
Perfection.
Look at that perfection. Perfection. So we're gonna part it like first this side, like from the ear, and then you twist it like this, like that. Ooh, that looks so good. Did you see? No, you didn't see. You can't have any more. And then we section this part. It's really important that it's a straight line. If it's not very straight, it's okay. How can you sleep at night? I think it's actually dangerous, no? If you like end up like this and it's just go going around. Step 3. Which step are we on now? We have to decide how much you want to cut off.
So you can cut like this. You should always start a little bit less. Because
then
it
you
will
know.
always be shorter. If I know you, I know
You don't
you
know
will
me.
accidentally go shorter.
Where is my fork? Here. So then we start cutting. I've watched Brad Mondo, so I know that you're supposed to
Use a
comb. How much do you want to cut? Look at this! Ah! And then we just keep on going. Straight, straight, straight. Professional! Haircut.
Haircut.
Haircut, haircut, haircut. Now we're gonna do the layers. Yeah, we hook up with this. Okay, good hard. Okay. How long do you want your shortest layer to be?
Wait, now it's unpacking. There?
There. Then we do this.
I will probably regret it, but it's fine. Let's do it. Woo!
And then they cut it where that guide piece is. So it should be there. No. And then we cut it off. I've watched the video and that's how they did it. I'm actually thinking this is the professional way to do it.
Was it a professional video?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
But that doesn't look. This doesn't look right. Where do they put the scissor? I mean, should it like be visible that you have cut it to different? No, it shouldn't be, right?
No. Then it looks like a shelf.
It's supposed to be like here. It's short and then goes longer. But here it's like short. Are you supposed to like hold it up and then cut it? The weird thing is, when I hold it up, it changes every time.
You're picking up different parts every time. I'm going to see if Brad Mondo has something about like...
Yes, please. Rizla, what are you doing?
Brad Mary.
Jeez, what are you doing? What's wrong with you, Rizla? Rizla. Okay, so now we're gonna take out the other part. This. And then we just do the same thing here. Turn around like that. I think we should there. A razor machine. I don't know what it is yet, but it's a machine that is racing. It's a razor.
Yeah.
And now we come to this framing the face part. So your shortest should be like this. Let's move you like this.
It's so good to be movable. If you blend it super steep, I just let it be like a shelf.
Let it be. Let it be.
Let it be.
Are you like thinning it out?
No, I'm
For
cutting
like-
layers. I'm gonna do it here. Now here. I think it actually is turning out pretty good.
I have to... This looks funny though.
That's really weird. I'm in my zone. No one can stop.
Be afraid. Be very much
This way you're getting all this hair on you. We can move you over here.
Wow!
I'm just gonna dance all day, naked on this table, yeah.
It's been 3 hours.
It's been 84 years.
I think we're done. Wow. Now we're just gonna style it.
Yes. Ah!
Okay.
You just did a random part now, right?
No, I haven't done any part. This is just the bun on top of the head. Just trust me, okay? Trust me on this one. You're gonna think it's all amazing. Okay, so we have the final result! Ta-da! I'm going to get the super professional mirror. And I'm gonna do like... Okay, you can look.
Good job.
Yeah, I know, right?
I really like this one though.
That was good, right?
Yeah, right?
How did I manage to do that?
I have no
still
idea.
wonder.
Oh, wait.
It's not that short.
Yeah.
It's not that short.
Oh, the first shower will be amazing.
What
You
is
see a difference, right?
Not really.
Not really. Like the shirt.
Look at this professional haircut. I was seeing it in this professional. I don't know.
How does the back look? I have no idea.
Let's not look at the back. The back is fine. Next time, actually, we are gonna do a transformation with makeup and hair color. Please like and subscribe down below, and also comment and let me know what we did wrong or I did wrong. Bye. I mean, it's not bad. I don't think it's bad. Is that? Oh no, really? You're so low. Mon amour. How are you, my friend?
One time. Sports baby. Lego. Passing the pride.